Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, today is another tutorial, a simple one you can actually make for your daughter. So if you want to see how I achieve it, please keep on watching. So because of the style I'm going for, I'm going to start by sectioning her hair. So the first thing I did was to section her hair, a straight line from one side of her ear to the other side of her ear. I'm going to be creating that line. So after doing that, I'll use my edge control to put on the lines and make sure the lines are straight. After achieving the line, I'm just going to go ahead and use my comb to comb it out, making sure it's all smooth. So after getting it, I'll go ahead and pack the back side as ponytail and also create a line from the back side of her hair to the other side, that's to the front part. I hope you guys just watch and you understand what I'm doing here. So I'm going to make this straight line from the back side, connecting it to the front of her hair. So this is what it's going to look like. So what I'm doing here on this part, I'm also going to do it on the other side of her hair. So like I said, what I did here, I'm going to still do it on the other side. So here is what it's looking like. When I'm done, I'm just going to put the hair on bun. So this is what the other side is looking like as head, and comb it out, comb the lines out, and then apply my gel. After applying my gel, to give me this smooth look, I'm going to use my brush to brush it out. So right now I'm using this toothbrush to brush it out, just to give it this smooth look and not allowing the gel to be on one side. So after getting it, I'll go ahead and start cornrolling. So this is the normal cornrow I do. I start from the beginning, like 2 to 3 lines with a natural hair, and then start adding my Brazilian wool to it. So I'm going to be adding like a little portion of Brazilian wool because I don't want the cornrow to be too big. And this is what I'm going to do when I do it on this side and do it on the other side. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So guys, if you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, my name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please do well by liking this video, subscribe, comment, share, and also drop a comment at the comment section and like my video because it helps my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. After making the two-side cornrow, I'm just going to move to the front and then create an A shape on the front part. So this is one part of the hair. I already make a line, so I'm going to be making like a A-shaped line on her hair. That's the front part we sectioned the first time. So after getting it, like I said, I'm just going to put my edge control to make the line smooth. Go ahead and comb it out and then just pack it into a bun like so. So now that I'm working on this section, I'll just go ahead and apply my edge control. So after getting what I want, I'll go ahead and start cornrolling. So like usual, I'm going to start with a natural hair, like 2 to 3 lines before attaching the Brazilian wool to her natural hair. So I'm going to be starting the Brazilian wool. I'm going to be starting in small sections. So here is a quick reminder. If you are watching, if you've watched up to this time, or you are watching up to this time, please go ahead, and you haven't subscribed, like, comment, please go ahead and drop a comment. Just drop a sweet comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle. If it's okay, if it's not, also let me know at the comment section. It's okay, correction is allowed. So the same way I'm curling on this side is what I'm still going to do on the other side. So after achieving the cornrow, the middle part of the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and section it into 3. Use my Brazilian wool to braid on a natural hair. So I'm just going to braid these normal strands of hair like a normal braiding hairstyle. I'll apply my rubber, and then when I attach my rubber to her hair, just like so, I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the next line I'm creating. So I'll also be using my rubber band to tie it, and then the third one as well, I'll go ahead and do the same thing. Back side of our hair, I'm going to section it as well. So after creating it like so, I will also be making a crisscross line as well. So after I'm done, here is what the hair is going to be looking like. So yeah, so at the side of the hair, I'm also going to be creating this line. The same thing I'm doing here is what I'm going to do on the other side. So at this point, we are done creating all the lines we need. We're just going to go ahead and then take out the main bond out. That's the yellow ribbon you see on her hair. I'm going to take it out and then make sure I comb it out to be smooth. So I'm going to be applying this my old spray old, it's called Spirit. I'm going to be applying it on her hair and then making sure I brush the hair to give me this smooth look. And then I'll start attaching all those hairs to the main ponytail, which is the one I'm brushing now. So but before I do that, I'll go ahead and twist all the excess hair. I'll twist it just to make sure it's looking neat. And then I'll start taking the hairs one at a time. While I brush, I'll take the hair to give me the perfect smooth look I'm going for. After getting that, I'll just use my rubber band to tie it. After tying it, I'll go ahead and braid it as well. So here is me trying to braid the hair. After braiding, I'm going to wrap it and secure it with a small rubber band. So I'm also going to be applying the spirit all over her hair. I'm also going to be putting beads on the hair, that's the tip of her braid, just to give it this beautiful finishing. So after achieving that, I'm just going and use my candle to burn the tip of the Brazilian wool, just to make sure it's all looking fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make one as well for your daughter. It's so simple as easy, like you see on your screen. So here is what the back side is looking like. At this point, you can just leave the hair like this, but I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm just going to be attaching some Brazilian wool at the tip of the hair. You can attach any hair of your choice at the tip of the hair, but right now this is what I have at home. That's why I'm using Brazilian wool. So when you have braiding hair, any kind of hair at all, you can just go ahead and make use of it. It's going to do its job. So at this point, I'm just using the scissors to trim out all the excess hair, and as well using my edge control to apply on the edges. So I'll be using my needle and thread to tie the both hair into one, just to make sure they don't go like a different angle. So they're just going to be on one place. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm applying my shiny spray, and I'll be showing you guys what the hair look like. So here is what the hair is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.